The way that things are configured right now with the main entryway to Rogers, there are a few areas that are of concern. The primary one is that when a visitor is buzzed in, the expectation is that they come to the office. If they turn to the right, then they are walking around throughout our school. So if Prop S were passed, that issue would be fixed. The guest visitor would have no other course of entry other than going to the office to be greeted by one of our staff members. We always want to know who is in our schoolhouse, and by having those individuals go report directly to the office, we are always aware of who is in our school. Our playground is directly against the cars. Looking at the renderings of what would a new parking lot / playground would look like, there would be a green area separating the parked cars from our students playing.
HVAC equipment, the lifespan is about 20 to 25 years. We're kind of on the higher end towards the 25 years on some of our equipment still. So upgrading the equipment, we gain efficiency, we gain, right now our service level, we're servicing the equipment more than we should. So our service, with the newer equipment, our service repairs will drop, our repair cost will drop. And also with the newer equipment, we get more of a consistent comfort level in the classrooms, which makes it a better environment for the students and staff.